Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Here is why you should never eat these leftovers. They can harm your health. When we prepare a meal, it is quite common to prepare more or less than the amount needed. Hence, we end up with leftovers. What most people do is store those leftovers and eat them the following day or reheat it. However, there are certain foods which should never be reheated. This is so because the reheating can release some bacteria, which may cause food poisoning and can be detrimental to the health. 4 foods which shouldn't be used as leftovers. Vegetable oil. Remember never to reheat meals which have been cooked with vegetable oils. This is so because when the vegetable oils, such as corn oil, sunflower oil, and canola, contain linoleic acid, these are polyunsaturated oils which are associated with stroke, heart disease, and cancer. Moreover, when reheated release HNE, 4-hydroxytranstenoninol, which is a type of toxin from the fatty acids. Due to these toxins, these oils increase the risk of Alzheimer's, heart disease and liver problems. Chicken. This type of meat is packed with protein. However, when reheated these compounds change their composition. Therefore, you should eat the chicken within 2 days and don't eat it afterwards. Vegetables. Vegetables are one of the foods which shouldn't be reheated. When storing vegetables, make sure you store leftover vegetables at 40 C. When you need them for a longer time period, you should freeze them. So, when vegetables become exposed to room temperature they acquire a very high level of nitrates. These substances are quite dangerous and may trigger a rare blood disorder in children which is called methemoglobinemia. Some of the most common symptoms of methemoglobinemia are fatigue and seizures. Vegetables which should never be reheated are lettuce, beets, celery, and spinach. Rice. The rice contains spores of harmful bacteria, which can survive the cooking process. So, when you leave it at room temperature, the harmful spores multiply and trigger digestive issues. Therefore, you should consume the rice right away and never reheat it. If you still decide to store it, keep it in the freezer.